How to appear offline on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, go down to the profile option that is located down below. As you go down to the profile option, then after that click on these three lines that are located up above. As you click on these three lines, then go to the settings option. As you go to the settings option, then go to the privacy option. As you go to the privacy option, then go down to the activity status. Now after you have clicked on the activity status, now over here you can turn on your activity status so that people can tell if you are online or offline. But if you close it, people will see you as offline even if you are online. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to like the video. Thanks.